In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Squarespace with Klaviyo seamlessly. If you're running an online business, utilizing both Squarespace and Klaviyo can be incredibly beneficial. However, it's important to understand the possibilities and limitations that come with this integration. Let's start with what's possible and what might require a bit more work. First, it's essential to recognize that Squarespace does not offer the same native e-commerce event support with Klaviyo that platforms like Shopify do. For instance, automatic e-commerce events like orders and abandoned carts may not sync out of the box. To bridge these gaps, many users turn to third-party tools or APIs and automations. Despite this limitation, you can still gather valuable data from Squarespace. This includes form submissions, such as newsletter subscriptions and contact forms. There are several ways to achieve this. You can embed Klaviyo forms or embed code directly into your Squarespace site. Alternatively, you could utilize automation tools like Zapier, Zoho Flow, LateNode, or Appiway to streamline these processes. Now, let's dive into a recommended step-by-step setup for capturing subscribers and basic tracking events without requiring extensive coding knowledge. This setup will enable you to efficiently integrate forms and basic event tracking between Squarespace and Klaviyo. Start by creating a sign-up form in Klaviyo. You'll want to go to the Sign Up Forms section within Klaviyo and select the option to create an embeddable form. This option is great because it gives you versatility in how and where you place your forms on your Squarespace site. Once you've begun setting up your form, configure the necessary fields you want to capture from your visitors. This might include fields like email, name, and any other information you find valuable. Additionally, take some time to style the form to ensure it aligns with your brand's aesthetic. Once you're satisfied with the setup, go ahead and publish the form. Next, move over to your Squarespace site to embed the form you've just created. You'll start by navigating to the page where you wish to add the form. This might be your home page, a dedicated landing page, or even the footer of your website. Depending on your layout preferences, add either a code block or an embed block. Once you've added this block, paste the embed code, or the HTML or JavaScript, provided by Klaviyo into the block. After pasting, make sure everything looks good, and then save or publish the changes to your website. By following these steps, you're setting yourself up for better data capture and, ultimately, more effective email marketing campaigns. Understanding these integrations and utilizing the tools available to you can make a significant difference in your marketing strategy. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps you maximize your use of Squarespace with Klaviyo.